Hi guys, how are you doing? Hope fine. In this video you will see how to download and install VirtualBox in Windows 10, so let's begin the video. First of all, go on your favorite browser and search, download VirtualBox. Now, click on this first link from virtualbox.org. Then, click on this Windows host to start downloading the setup. Here, the download is finished, so click on this blue color link. It will run the setup. Now, setup is started, so click on the next button. Again, click on the next button. Again, next. Here click on the yes button. And now click on the install button. Then installation is started. Here, installation is finished, so click on Finish button. Now we have successfully installed a VirtualBox in Windows 10, so if you like this video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more amazing and interesting videos. Thanks for watching.